Hey, my gators, welcome back to the Single Mom vs. the Fixer Upper. So tonight, me and my Stank About are going to put up the Christmas tree, and this is where it's going to be a nice, great space for it. I could not find the bigger tree, which is a white tree. It's in a garage somewhere. So I went with the tree that we had last year and also the decorations that I could find that I had found in storage during Christmas last year. I cannot find my other decorations. I know they in there, but I think they in the middle of all the boxes. And I'm not moving all that stuff. So we just have a box here. I think my Santa that I changed. Remember, I made a melanated Santa out of a thing I got from Goodwill. It's a long, big, tall Santa. I think that is out there. We're going to change out the wreath and put the Santa up. And we're getting ready to put the tree up. So I'm going to move my vase. And then you guys are going to see the tree being put up. Just in steps, not the whole process. You know, I'm going to click through how I do. All right? Enjoy.